The project of the evening is a stud finder supplement. Basically, when your stud finder is not all that accurate, because most are not, this will help you find the middle of the stud. That way, if you're ever mounting something like a handrail or lumber racks, you're sure to get the middle of the stud when it counts. So the idea is it's really thin piano wire, 22 gauge, and a wire nut. And the hole it leaves is small enough that you can just paint over it to fill it without, I mean, you might not even need to paint over it. It's tiny. Let's see, it's right there. Anyway, tiny hole, and I guess let's get to it. So first things first, cut some wire. I don't know piano wire that well, but what I've experienced is that it's really, really sharp and really, really springy. So I try and fold this whenever I work at this stuff. First fold it and then cut it, just so nothing strange and springy happens. All right, got the wire nut. Fold once, fold twice, tiny wire nut. Put the double blunt end in there. I guess first trim off anything that's extra here. Double blunt end in there and crimp. Nice and strong there. And if this thing is anything bent, just bend it back with pliers. But the nature of piano wire is that it's really strong and is not easily bent out of shape. This is 22 gauge, so it's really, really, really thin, so that it won't leave a hole that's big in the wall. So you will want to guide it in using your other hand. But last thing is to put a little bit of a sharp point here, using some sort of fine grit paper. This is just the kind of most convenient thing that I had set up. All right, there it is. And the length should be just longer than the thickness of your drywall paint texture. So that kind of adds up from 1/2 inch to 5/8 to 3/4. So this here is 7/8. If it is too bendy and needs to be trimmed, I can do that. But kind of get it started like that, push in, no stud, and you can hardly see the hole there. Anyway, so that's that. It's just a really quick way to check for studs and to make sure that when you think you have the middle of a stud, that it actually is the middle of a stud. And this is the wire. Anyway, enjoy. That should be a weekend project at the most. I think it's very doable, and even an evening.